Voti iria ikoretwo ikihiuria Muriugo cia ati kuri na bunge na maseneta 17 guku bururi-ini mari na murimu wa corona na gututhura kigagayo kuri muingi ni thiite na mbere guteanirio ni atongoria matiganite. Umuthi mutongoria wa aria aingi thiini wa bunge nene ya bururi Aden Duale na murunawe wa aria anini John Mbadi makiuga aria makoretwo magitambia ndeto ino mari na muroto wa gututhura guoya gatagati ka muingi kuona gutire undu ta ucio.
So there is nothing about stigma. I mean, the Prime Minister of UK is in ICU, the Prince Charles, Angela Merkel. There are many members of parliament across the world, in the US, senators. So there's nothing. But I think what is not in order is to throw names of even members who I have spoke to who have not even been tested.
Kiumia kihituku kuri na bunge na maseneta merutire guthimuka na kuri na murimu uyu ukirikana ithimi iria irarekereirio ironania kuri na seneta na bunge mari na murimu amwe ao gukirikana mahutaniti na mubunge wa Rabai Kamoti Mwamkale uria urikitie kunyitwo ni murimu uyu.
I was tested on Saturday. The results came out yesterday. If I was positive, you would have not found me here. I would be in hospital. I would be receiving care as of now. If I was positive, I would just come out publicly and say, because I don't see why Kenyans should stigmatize and look at this disease as if you get it is a death sentence.
Shikaro ciothe bunge-ini ya Senate na bunge nene ni irikiti kurugamio kwa ihinda ona gutuika kuringana na Duale ni magakorwo makigomana kiumia giukite kwariria mendekithia maria maheanitwo ni mutongoria wa bururi megie kuhuthiria Wanjiku murigo wa magoti.
No, the change we're going to see is that we will not have the 349 members. We'll only have, as there's a guidelines the Speaker has sent, I'm sure the media has, there will be 60 members who will be in the House, between 60 and 70. And we want to protect the elderly members. We wanted to protect members who have medical conditions.
The reason why Parliament must sit on Tuesday is the constitution we have today is very clear. It is only Parliament, National Assembly, which can set its calendar.
Maya monkite riri ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite matiamukirite roboti yo yothe yegimaini na bunge na maseneta 17 ukumakiuria lab cia andu kiumbe iria ihetu rutha rwa guthima aria mari na corona utigirira ni manengera ministry ya ugima wa mwiri maumirira ma ithimi icio niguo gukamenyekanaga ithafu ikinyaniru ria aria mari na murimu uyu.
Is that as it stands today and at this time we have no formal official reporting of these cases to the Ministry of Health, and additionally we are rolling out mass testing, and this mass testing will actually include testing of the different institutions in the country, and at that time we will then be able to relate to you what the situation may look like in Parliament or in judiciary.
Girifota Kameme TV jitawo wa Ngugi.